What's up, Cloud Life? It's Overflow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest updates on the financial markets. And today we are going to be taking a closer look at Bitcoin. We have put out a trade in the Discord, and I'm going to show you the update on the trade. Those that are not following me in Discord, you might want to jump on that Discord bandwagon. That being said, before we get started on any Bitcoin technical analysis to see where the market's going, I have to give my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ acknowledgement because He is the truth, the way, and the life, and He has blessed me so abundantly. And I definitely want to give back to people, and I definitely want to acknowledge Jesus, that He's like I said, He's the truth, the way, and the life. And the only way to heaven is through Jesus. There's no other way to heaven but through Jesus. So if you don't believe that, sorry, but I have to burst your bubble. But the only way is through Jesus Christ. Not through being a good person, not through being self-righteous, but only through Jesus. That being said, I wanted to get that message out there. I do want to get into this technical analysis and bless you guys with some knowledge on the markets and some nuggets. Those that were on my live stream the other day, I want to say this because I get this a lot. A lot of people said you deleted your video. Yes, I deleted my video. I deleted that live stream because YouTube actually cut off my live stream. So it was actually I was like 45 minutes into the live stream. But what ended up happening was YouTube decided to cut off my stream. Don't know why. Maybe I said something I shouldn't have, because sometimes I tend to say things that get me in trouble with YouTube, but whatever. But other than that, what I did notice with YouTube, when they cut my video off, it was only 13 minutes long, so I decided to cut the video. So I will be doing another live stream on trading Ichimoku with fractals, so y'all stay tuned for that. I just wanted to clarify that because a lot of people have been asking me, why do you take down your video? Why did you take down your video? So I want to say why I took down the video. Also, like I said, if you join the Discord, you guys, y'all are missing out. I'm really helping people out in the Discord. Also, if you are new to this channel and you like what you see in here and feel compelled to smash that like button and subscribe. I definitely want to help people with their trading. I am going to change my content a little bit more going into 2022 because I do think that it's time to help people. See, I always get messages while I'm trying to do videos, you guys. It always happens. But I want to do this. I want to help people, be profitable traders next year. A lot of people are curious about my trading style because they say you're so accurate with Ichimoku and how well, there's different ways to use Ichimoku, and I believe this is the most efficient way. So that being said, let me get into this Bitcoin update on the market so I can show you guys what happened, how this trade played out. This trade played out beautifully. We took the trade up here in the Discord. If you are not in my Discord, you will see this setup in the Discord. We got the trade in up here at 51,258.5. That was our entry, and stop loss was up here. You see, it was a flawless trade. Said the trade was going to come down here. It hit all targets. This was a target. This was a target, and we hit in this box. Did it get to the bottom? No, but we pretty much cleared this market. It was a total of 3,968 pips, which is a mega drop in the market. So if you had $1 on that trade, you made $3 grand. If you had a $10 trade, you made $39,000 on that trade. So anybody that took that trade in the Discord, congratulations. You are now a little bit richer today. So this was the setup. It hit and it did pretty well. So now looking at this current market, I do want to get into that because I am curious on where Bitcoin can go. So I'm going to start with the daily time frame. We had a golden cross, but market is still falling. Chiku spends under the price. Everything is bearish. Even the cloud is pointing bearish, and you see the cloud is actually making lower lows here. So this is a bad sign for Bitcoin. But can prices still hold here? Of course. We don't know exactly what the market's going to do. Nobody ever knows exactly what the market's going to do. But we get a head start in understanding what's going on here. So coming back down to the 4-hour time frame, we are getting weak a little bit from what we see. We're forming a little bit of a head and shoulder pattern right here. If you guys don't see it, let me draw that up for you real quick. Boom, boom. well, you could say this whole thing's a big old head, and then right in here, and we might come back up and then a drop. So we'll see what happens. We don't know yet. I think that's a possibility. Looking at this, let's see if there's any divergence here. Any divergence at all? No divergence. There actually might be some divergence here on the 1 hour. Let me check. Let me check. And also that Kijun just went flat on the 4 hour too. So let's see. There is some slight divergence here. So we might start pulling back to the upside, and we might be able to manage to break through here. So I don't know yet. This is coming down right here, while this is moving up higher. So this is some bullish divergence here. It doesn't look very strong. Even RCI is saying that we're very weak here. So RCI is screaming we're still bearish or long term. This is trying to move up higher, but this is coming down. So we may get a rejection and start moving back to the downside. Not quite sure on that move yet. But from what I'm seeing so far in this market, let me take this off. We are getting a Kijun breakout right here. We broke Kijun here, but we broke back below it. So this is saying that we may see the market push back down to the downside. I'm for it. All you guys that know me, I'm for the Bitcoin drop. I'm for the market going down. But right here, we are showing signs that the market will possibly move lower. Right now, the market's sitting at 47,653. And it had that breakout around, the breakout happened at 47,717. So we'll see the market dip lower here. Momentum is definitely in favor of, overall the bears, especially on the daily time frame. So that is something that I am considering as well. Looking at this market is very bearish right now. To confirm this for the weekly time frame, we're bullish here, but like I said, we're forming a little head and shoulder pattern. Let me show you guys one more time. It looks even clearer on the weekly chart. So I'll show you this. Boom. And we could have this drop back down. And if we get a drop back down, we'll probably, if we do manage to break through the neckline and break through that cloud level, that'll take us down to 32K 417 level, which is down in here where this green, right above this green zone, which will take us to the bottom of the shoulder, left shoulder here. So this is what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. It's gonna be a tricky market. I am thinking this market can have a great chance of going lower, much lower than everybody anticipates. I could be wrong. Don't take my word for it, but this is my bias. This is my analysis on the market. This is how I see the market. We still have cloud support on the weekly, so that might save Bitcoin, but we don't have any new buyers coming into the market. And if we look at the market on the weekly, the RCI, we see that sellers are coming into this market. So we will see. Sellers are definitely coming into this market. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this technical analysis. If you did, smash that like button, share it, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, what you think about Bitcoin and this overall market. And I will see you guys in the next video. God bless and peace.